Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a quick unboxing of this little Parkside Precision Electric Screwdriver from LIDL. Let's dive right into it. First, let's take a look at the packaging. It's minimalistic. It shows off the tool, some basic information. You can see the bits that are included, and picture of it being used. Let's open it up. The screwdriver doesn't feel bad at all. The batteries you'll need are already inside it, which is nice, but it would have been better to pack them outside the tool so there's no chance of acid leaking and ruining the screwdriver even before someone opens it for the first time. To get to the manual, I'll have to remove the part that holds the bits. It's lodged in pretty tight, which is a good thing. You don't want that falling out accidentally. With that out of the way, let's put a bit in and see if it spins. It works well. It's obvious it's not very powerful, but you don't really need it to be. The light seems like it will be useful. All in all, a nifty little tool. I think it's worth its €15 price tag. Do you have experience with electric screwdrivers? Drop a comment and tell me if it's worth it to get a more expensive one. If you found my video useful, please consider giving it a like and subscribe to my channel so I can make more of these.